Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to be back. I've been MIA for a while because I am pregnant and it's been a little rough with the nausea. So I'm feeling great now and I'm ready to come back. So since I have something baking in the oven, I decided to bake something for you guys. These are called wedding cookies. We call them Novias. We call them Polvorones. They're delicious. They smell amazing, super easy to make, honestly super quick. These are great as a gift for the neighbors, for friends, just to have at home. They're so easy to make and they're super cute. Perfect for Christmas. Like I said, super simple. So if you guys want to learn how I make these wonderful wedding cookies, please keep watching. And if you haven't subscribed, I invite you to subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. In our bowl, we're going to start off by combining half a cup of powdered sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 cup of softened butter. Don't drop it in like I did. Next, we're going to mix everything together until it's nice and combined. Next, we're going to add 2 1/4 cups of sifted flour to our mixture. Now lastly, we want to add 3/4 cup of chopped walnuts or chopped pecans. It's up to you. I'm adding walnuts. And just mix it all together. Make sure it's well combined. Then what I'm going to do is chill the dough for a bit so I can form my dough into little balls. So I'm going to chill it probably about 5 to 8 minutes. You don't want it to be too soft. It's been about 5 minutes. My dough is a bit chilled. I'm going to start off by grabbing my dough and I'm going to form balls that are maybe about 1 inch to 1.25 inches in diameter. Now, you can form them as big as you'd like. Depending on how big you form these balls, that's how many cookies you'll get. So out of this recipe, you might be able to get 3 dozen. So like maybe 48 cookies. Maybe not, depending on how small or how big you make these. So I'm gonna make them a little bit smaller because I am going to use these to give to the neighbors for the holidays, just to get them into the Christmas spirit. So I'm just gonna form your balls, gently place them on your parchment sheet. You're going to do this with all your dough, and then we're going to bake these at 400 degrees for roughly about 10 to 12 minutes. Alrighty, so this time around it looks like I didn't do them all the same size, so I was able to get 2 dozen instead of 3 dozen. I'm going to go ahead and pop them in the oven for 400 degrees, 10 to 12 minutes until they're nice and brown. All right guys, I just took them out of the oven. I accidentally put my thumb on one of these with the mitten. Be very gentle, don't make my mistake. Let me say they smell delicious. They smell like something right out of Disneyland. But we want them to cool down to room temperature. Not too cool because we still want to put the powdered sugar on them and we want it to stick. But they're still way too hot. So we'll give them about 15 minutes and we'll come back so we can coat them with the powder. Alrighty, now that they're cooled to room temperature, we're gonna go ahead and dip them in powdered sugar. I'm gonna get them nice and coated. Be gentle because they are fragile if you handle them a little too aggressively. All right, now here are our wedding cookies, Novias, Polvorones, whatever you want to call it. They have plenty of names. Now, this is how they look on the inside. So they're super creamy. You can see the walnuts in there. They're so delicious. They taste like something from Disneyland. They're seriously one of my favorite cookies. Another thing you can do is once you've dipped them in powdered sugar, you can go ahead and sprinkle some more powdered sugar on top. You can go ahead and package them, give them to the neighbors, put them in the refrigerator. These are perfect for gifts, for just a nice cold night with hot cocoa. I hope you guys give these a try. They're not too sweet. They're just perfect. They smell like heaven. If you want them sweeter, then go ahead and add a bit more of the powdered sugar. But for me, they are perfect. Guys, and there you have it. These delicious wedding cookies, Novias, Polvorones, whatever you want to call them. So easy to make. So delicious. I swear. They smell like something from Disneyland. I keep saying that, but I swear to you, it brings me back to like childhood moments. I hope you guys give these a try. The reason I do want to say that the tip of putting the dough in the refrigerator is because it prevents them from breaking. If the dough is too soft, then they'll end up breaking either before you put them in the oven or after you take them out. So chilling the dough is important. Not too long, like I said, 5 to 8 minutes. And again, you do want to cool them a bit before putting them in powdered sugar. And then you can sprinkle some more powdered sugar on top. I hope you guys give these a try. They're so good. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.